My name is Vicky Panchai, General Manager at the Roseate Hotel in Reading. The Roseate Reading is the only 5-star hotel in the Reading area, and the hotel consists of 55 bedrooms, meeting rooms, restaurant and a bar, and a spa. So we've been looking at changing the TVs in the bedroom, and as you know now, everything is evolving, everything is going so quick with technology, and I think Airwaves suit what we were looking for, and for the hotel, the TVs suit very well in the rooms as well, and it's so easy now that people can just send everything from their phone to the TVs, and we can also promote the restaurant and conference room and things like that to the guests so that they can see those pictures in the room to see the facilities that we have. From our first meeting that we have with Airwave and until the installation, I think the communication and the installation went really smooth. The deadline was met because we had a deadline of how many days to install all the TVs, and that worked really well. And the communication has been flowing all the time between the emails to make sure the engineers had all the details that they need beforehand. And on the day of installation when they came as well, everything went really smooth. The work was done neat, clean, it was very tidy and highly recommended. So feedback has been very positive since we've done the installation of the new TVs. The guests have seen the new entertainment system in the room, and it's been very pleasing, and it's very easy for them as well to be able to send things on their TV if they want to look at. So feedback very positive indeed.
I'm very proud to have worked with the Roseate Reading, an amazing hotel here in Reading, 55 exquisite rooms, and interestingly for me, I went to college in this very building 35 years ago.